In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore a file in Zoho Workdrive. If you accidentally deleted a file, Zoho Workdrive usually keeps it in the trash for a period of time, which gives you a chance to bring it back. Restoring a file is quick, but it helps to move slowly so you restore the correct item and put it back where you expect. Start by opening Zoho Workdrive and going to the My Folders area. Near the top of the My Folders tab, look for the Manage option. Click Manage, and from the menu that appears, select Trash. This takes you to the section where deleted files and folders are stored temporarily. Give the list a moment to load, especially if you delete a lot of items, or if you are working in a shared environment. Next, find and select the file you want to recover. Click once on the file so it is highlighted. Take a second to confirm you have the right one by checking the file name and any available details, like the modified date. This is a helpful habit, because restoring the wrong version or the wrong file can create confusion later, particularly if several files have similar names. With the correct file selected, go to the top menu bar and locate the Restore icon. It looks like a counterclockwise arrow. Click Restore. This action tells Workdrive that you want to move the item out of the trash and return it to active storage. After you click Restore, a pop-up window appears asking you to confirm the restoration. Read the message briefly, then confirm to proceed. Once you confirm, Workdrive restores the file. At this point, it is a good idea to go back to your folders and verify that the file is available again. In most cases, the file returns to its original location. If you have trouble finding it right away, check the folder where it was last stored, or use search within Workdrive to locate it by name. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.